Styling a home in French country style is all about creating an environment that feels elegant yet relaxed, curated yet effortless. The beauty of this design lies in its simplicity and the ability to embrace imperfections while maintaining a warm and inviting atmosphere. Here are some essential tips to bring this style to life in your home. First, keep it simple and uncluttered. French country homes are never overcrowded with decor. Instead of filling a space with too many items, focus on quality over quantity. A carefully selected antique cabinet, a delicate chandelier, or a rustic wooden bench can make a stronger statement than multiple, smaller decorations. The goal is to let each piece have room to breathe, creating a harmonious and balanced environment. Second, embrace imperfection. Unlike modern or minimalist styles that prioritize clean, sleek lines, French country design welcomes chipped paint, distressed wood, and vintage fabrics. These elements tell a story and add charm to the home. Whether it's a weathered dining table or a slightly faded area rug, these imperfections bring warmth and authenticity. Next, let natural light flood in. French country interiors thrive in bright, airy spaces. Use sheer linen or cotton curtains to allow sunlight to pour in, creating a soft, inviting glow. If possible, incorporate large windows or glass doors to enhance the openness of the space. Natural light enhances the warmth of the neutral color palette and highlights the beauty of vintage textures. Lastly, don't force the style. Let it evolve naturally. A true French country home looks as if it has been designed over time, not all at once. Layering furniture, adding personal decor, and slowly curating pieces gives the space an authentic, lived-in feel. Whether it's an old trunk repurposed as a coffee table or a family heirloom placed in a cozy reading nook, the beauty of this style comes from its organic and effortless charm. If you love the charm of French country style, now is the perfect time to start incorporating these elements into your home. Which of these decorating tips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more home decor inspiration, turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The 2025 Farmhouse Kitchen isn't just about shiplap and mason jars. It's a thoughtful fusion of old and new. Picture clean-lined shaker cabinets with hidden, touch-sensitive handles that give a nod to minimalism. The real magic? These cabinets might look vintage, but they're packed with smart features like self-closing hinges and built-in LED lighting. Open shelving remains a staple, but now it's curated with purpose. Think hand-thrown pottery passed down through generations, alongside sleek, matte black coffee machines. The key word here is balance. We're pairing rustic textures like reclaimed wood beams with unexpected materials, such as countertops made from recycled glass terrazzo or floors crafted from sustainable cork. These choices aren't just pretty, they're practical, durable, and kinder to the planet. (2025's farmhouse kitchens prove that technology doesn't have to clash with charm. Imagine a refrigerator disguised behind custom wood panels or a voice-activated faucet that looks like a vintage pump. Smart pantries are now a must-have, with AI systems that track expiration dates and even suggest recipes based on what's inside. Under-cabinet lighting has gone wireless, charging via solar power, and appliances like ovens and dishwashers sync with your phone to optimize energy use. The pièce de résistance? Islands with built-in induction cooktops and pop-out charging stations, perfect for busy mornings or late-night work sessions. This isn't just tech for tech's sake. It's about making life easier while keeping the aesthetic serene. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all kitchens. In 2025, every inch of your kitchen works overtime. Islands transform from prep stations to breakfast bars with fold-down seating, while ceiling-high pull-down shelves make use of vertical space for rarely used gadgets. Clever storage solutions like tilt-out trash bins and drawer dividers keep clutter at bay, and built-in compost hubs discreetly turn scraps into garden gold. Even the lighting adapts. Pendant fixtures with adjustable heights cater to cooking or dining moods, and LED skylights mimic natural daylight long after the sun sets. This is a kitchen that grows with you, whether you're hosting a holiday feast or savoring a quiet coffee alone. Eco-conscious design isn't a trend, it's the heartbeat of 2025 kitchens. Reclaimed barn wood isn't just for show, it's paired with Energy Star rated appliances and water-saving faucets that cut utility bills. Countertops made from recycled paper composite or bioresins offer luxury without guilt, while solar-powered pendant lights add ambiance and reduce your carbon footprint. Indoor herb gardens are thriving under built-in grow lights, and cabinetry finishes use low VOC paints to keep the air clean. Even the smallest details matter. Think reusable beeswax wraps stored in handcrafted willow baskets. This is a kitchen that feels good to cook in, knowing every choice supports a healthier home and planet. Lighting in 2025 isn't just functional, it's art. Oversized, hand-blown glass pendants dangle over islands, casting a warm, inviting glow, while wrought iron chandeliers with Edison bulbs add a touch of industrial romance. For a modern twist, try sleek, linear fixtures with exposed filaments above dining nooks. Under-cabinet lighting has evolved too. Motion-activated strips illuminate workspaces without harsh overhead glare, and toe kick lights create a soft, welcoming ambiance after dark. The secret? Layering. Combine task lighting for cooking, ambient lighting for mood, and accent lighting to showcase those heirloom dishes on open shelves. The farmhouse kitchens of 2025 are anything but cookie cutter. Customization is king, from hand-painted tiles featuring family recipes to open shelving styled with travel souvenirs and vintage finds. Chalkboard walls aren't just for grocery lists, they're canvases for seasonal art or handwritten notes from loved ones. Even appliances get personal. Imagine a custom-colored stand mixer or a fridge door that doubles as a photo gallery. This is a space that celebrates your story, blending heirlooms with modern essentials to create a kitchen that's uniquely, unapologetically yours. So there you have it. The 2025 kitchen is where rustic warmth meets futuristic flair. It's a space designed to adapt, inspire, and nurture. Whether you're whipping up a weeknight meal or hosting a grand gathering, by blending sustainable materials, smart tech, and personal touches, you'll create a kitchen that's not just trendy, but timeless. Ready to start your transformation? Grab those paint samples, bookmark your favorite fixtures, and let's build a kitchen that's ready for tomorrow while honoring the heart of home. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and drop a comment below telling us which trend you're most excited to try.